Hi, Chauncey Hutter Jr. here. I'm a Real Tax Business Success Consultant and Coach to the tax industry. This is our next question that I'm answering related to, this one has to do with how do I hire employees with salesmanship gifts and then train them on tax knowledge needed for their position. The question is a great question because it actually shows that this person has bought into the mental shift that they need salesmanship in their office. Now, not every tax professional has bought into that. So let me address that real quick. More salesmanship is needed in a tax office than actual tax preparation skill. You've got that. Every tax office, or the majority of tax offices, are real good on that. They've got the tax preparation part, that skill learning down. What is greatly needed to increase the profit and actual numbers flowing through your business, the actual sales and dollar flow through your business, is salesmanship. And so it's easier to train a person with salesmanship tax knowledge than it is to take someone with great tax skill and make them a salesman. And so I recommend, and this person that asked the question has already heard me say this, I recommend you getting people that are good at sales. Not like used car salesman, high pressure. That's not what salesmanship is not a bad word. I'm talking about somebody that's in retail, that is great and loves people, enjoys helping people, doesn't mind asking for the order, doesn't mind asking for money, and you teach them a skill of taxes, and they love it. They actually would like to get out of the retail environment. There's a lot of people in retail around Christmas time that don't have a job in January. And they know that every year, and they would love to work in a professional tax office. I see it all the time. I recommend that you actually target these people for employment next year. So in the fall, have a tax school. You know, if you don't have a tax school, there's plenty of people out there selling tax schools. Go get one. Grab one that you like. If you need to change it around, some great. But that's not the point. Promote a tax school. Offer it for free, but what most of these tax schools don't do that I highly recommend is actually putting an application to get in. You can offer the school for free. It's basically a glorified training session and recruiting session over 6, 8, 12 weeks, however long your tax school is, to get the right kind of person in your office. So you actually want, if they've got sales experience, if they have retail experience, if they have experience, you're not necessarily looking for the tax experience because you're going to train that. So you get these people to fill out an application, you follow up with them, you only let the ones that are highly likely, that are looking for jobs, and you're upfront about it. We're looking for people for tax season. And so if they've taken the time to fill that out, that's a great hoop that they've walked and jumped through. And then you spend 6, 8, 12 weeks in the fall, however long your tax school is, showing them how you do what you do in your tax office, teaching them taxes. And there's going to be 1 or 2 or 3 that come to the surface, you have good rapport with, that have good salesmanship that you're going to want to have hired come tax season in your business, and you're probably going to want to hire them early. So that's a great way to get the right kind of person in your office. If you enjoyed this short nugget of information on how to maximize your success in the tax business, I've got 20 more videos just like it. You go to www.taxmarketing.com/free videos. Thank you very much.